Good morning, honorable examiners, Professor Dr. Masyadi Said, MPD, Dr. Oom Rohma, SM Hum, Dr. Hana Sundari, MPD, and Dr. Eliza Martiarini, MPD. My name is Sahrial. I'm from Class 1C. It is a privilege to be here today to present my final project for this semester's examination. The title of my presentation is Using Social Media to Boost EFL Learning Tips and Strategies. In this presentation, I aim to explore how social media can serve as an innovative and practical tools for enhancing English as a foreign language learning. I will share insight, actionable strategies, and evidence based tips that can inspire both educators and learners to maximize the potential of social media in language education. I would like to say thank you for this opportunity and I look forward to your feedback and suggestion. Okay, now let us begin. Introduction. Social media has become a powerful tool in English as a foreign language EFL learning, which offering us as a student the opportunities to practice language skills in real life contexts, connect with global communities, and engage with authentic material in a fun and interactive ways. So, why social media for EFL? I divide it into three. The first one is popularity among learners, and the second one is accessibility and engagement, and the last one is real world language exposure. Okay, next one. The objective of my presentation is to explore how social media can enhance English as a foreign language learning by providing students with engaging platform for communication, access to authentic language materials, opportunities for collaborative learning, and tools to develop critical language skills in a real-world context. Okay, so what are the benefits? Our benefit of social media in EFL learning, I divided into two. The first one is to exposure to authentic language in real life context. For example, the conversation, the videos, and the caption. And the second one is opportunities for collaboration, which we can make or create group chats, forums, and online challenges. All right, then, I'll try to explain the first benefit. The first one is social media provides learners with access to real life language usage in various forms, such as conversation, videos, caption, and comments. Through platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, the student can observe how native speakers and proficient users of English communicate naturally. This exposure helps them understand cultural nuances like slang, idiomatic expression, and informal communication style. Additionally, interacting with authentic content enable learners to develop better listening and reading comprehension skill as they engage with language that reflects everyday use rather than textbook. For example, this real life context makes learning more relatable and practical, fostering confidence in using English in diverse situations. Okay, I try to explain the second benefit, which is opportunities for collaboration. Social media offers numerous platforms for collaboration, such as group chats, forum, and online challenges. These interactive spaces allow EFL learners to engage with peers exchange ideas, and work on language tasks together in real time. Just for example, group chats on messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram enable the student to practice conversational skills, share resources, and solve language problems collaboratively. Forums on platforms like Reddit or Facebook provide opportunities to participate in discussion, ask questions, and receive feedback from a global community. Online challenges, such as creating video content or participating in hashtag campaign, encourage teamwork and creative use of language. These collaborative activities not only enhance communication skill, but also foster a sense of community and motivation to learn. Okay, now our next slide is popular platform and their features. These are the example of popular platform and their features, like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, or Facebook, or Twitter. Nowadays it's called X. For example, YouTube. Teachers can make tutorials videos, or student can make their vlog or live session. For example, these uh, things can produce to enhance our listening skill and comprehenses some exercises. And for Instagram and TikTok, you can make short videos and storytelling, for example, like creative caption, writing, or vocabulary learning. On Facebook groups, they can train our language exchange and discussion board. And for the Twitter, we can make micro writing and real time discussion. Okay, next one is tips for using social media in EFL. I'll try to explain. There are five. The first one is set clear goals. So we have to set our goals, define the specific language skill, for example, like speaking, writing, and listening. The second one is interactive features like polls, Q&A, and live streams. And the third one is encourage learners to create content like vlog, blog, or short stories. And the fourth one is monitor and guide usage to ensure safe and productive online behavior. And the last one is to leverage gamification to create challenges and reward system. Okay, now I'll try to explain the strategies for the teachers. Okay, for the content creation, you have to select the videos, the post, or account to relevant EFL learnings. Like, and second one is assign interactive tasks like commenting on posts, creating stories in English, and etc. And the third one is conduct live session, real-time Q&A, question and answer, or grammar clinics. And the fourth one is to create a class hashtag. They can promote collaboration and showcase progress. Okay? And case studies or success story. I like to give you the real stories of the success stories from. For example, I have two. I'll try to explain two example. Uh, the first one is a class using TikTok to learn idioms, and the second one is Twitter used for mini debates. Okay, a TikTok can be a dynamic tool for teaching idioms in an EFL classroom by combining creativity and visual learning. Here, how it can be utilized. For example, like creating short videos. Students can work in pairs or small groups to create 15 to 60-second videos that illustrate the meaning of given idiom. For example, just for instance, to explain break the ice. They may act an awkward meeting followed by a joke that lighten the moods. These videos make abstract idioms more relatable and easier to understand. So, by using TikTok, learners not only grasp idiomatic expression but also enhance their speaking, listening, and digital literacy skill in a fun and engaging way. So the second example is Twitter, used for mini debates. Twitter can be an excellent platform for conducting mini debate in an EFL classroom, helping students practice critical thinking, persuasive writing, and concise language use. Here's how it can be implemented. Uh, Choosing the debate topics. The teacher select engaging and relevant topics suitable for mini debate, such as should student wear uniform or does social media help or harm communication? So these topics are broad enough to encourage diverse opinion and discussion among them. So by using Twitter, students practice writing with clarity and precision, learn to present logical argument, and gain confidence in expressing their opinion in English. This activity also fosters digital etiquette and an understanding of respectful online communication. So, finally, we come to the conclusion. Incorporating social media into uh, revolutionize traditional education by creating an interactive, engaging, and practical language learning experience. Platforms like TikTok and Twitter provide students with opportunities to explore student authentic language use, express creativity, engage in collaborative tasks with peers and global communities. So these tools enable learners to develop critical communication skill, cultural awareness, and confidence in a real-world context. So by embracing social media, educators can bridge the gap between classroom learning and everyday language use, making English more accessible, enjoyable, and relevant for all students all over the world. Okay, I think that's enough for my presentation. Thank you so much. See you some other time. Bye bye.